Integrated Intrinsic Solutions is a personal development company, and we're happy to be running 3 workshops at the Rejuvenate Enterprise Wellbeing Dance Weekender. This will be taking place on the 11th to the 13th of October 2019 at Hoth House, Chiddington in Edenbridge. Our first workshop is on Friday evening and it's called Be Present. It starts at 7:30pm and will last around an hour and a half. We've designed this workshop to help you let go of your week and ground yourself into the presence of being in the here and now. We will cover what is causing you stress and the effects of it on your life. You will learn how to take control and how to respond differently to things that are out of your control. We will teach you techniques to help you stay peaceful when anxious and learn how to use spa products to help you feel calm and relaxed. Day 2, we will be running 2 workshops and they're designed to be taken separately or together. You decide. The morning workshop will be all about how to find clarity and live your best life with purpose. If you are feeling stuck and you want to move on with your life but you don't know how, this workshop will give you direction to see how you can become the best version of yourself. We will use 3 simple steps. Identify your purpose. Define the qualities of a character that you have so you can achieve your ambitions and dreams. You will produce your life map, which will enable you to be inspired and stay focused. In the afternoon, it's all about creating compelling goals. You will learn a skill for life that does not involve being smart. Goal mapping uses a combination of ancient wisdom and cutting-edge accelerated learning, woven together with goal-setting principles. Our technique focuses on left brain words and right brain imagery, and the language of the subconscious, bringing words, pictures and symbols together to create and bring extraordinary power to your objectives. This workshop will give you a master skill that you can use for life for yourself or with your friends and family. Both workshops will teach you how to develop your natural ability of conscious intention into powerful skills. You will leave a different person to who came into the room, and you will have with you a visual map of your life when you attended the morning session and your future goals and ambitions if you attend the afternoon. Both workshops will be 3 hours long. The first will start at 9:30 and the second at 1pm. These workshops are designed to enable you to embrace your change and integrate this learning into all aspects of your life so you fulfill your life's potential.